Pshaw.
Pshaw cubed. That's like pshaw, pshaw, pshaw.
Pshaw to the 5th power. Pshaw, 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 pshaw. Mine's one of those.
Math really isn't your strong subject, is it?
Okay. Viewers at home.
If everybody's special, then nobody's special. So why not just take the negatives off?
Listen to my explanation.
Okay, so she had a problem and all she did was take off all the negatives.
I'm solving. No, I'm not. Okay,
You did.
I'm solving, and then I realized that I have -2 equals -1/3 x minus y. Well, everything in that equation is negative, so it's kind of like, so I took all the negatives out.
Because of everybody's. That's not the explanation you gave me. You said if everybody's special, then nobody's special. So technically, I should just make these negatives positive because then nobody's special anymore. And that was the explanation I got. It was about special numbers. Not about making sense because negatives and positives. I got special people out of there, and we were talking about numbers. I'm not helping.
Listen, okay.
I listened.
No, I'm telling these people because when we post this, we're going to ask them who they agree with. Yeah, that's right. Because -2 equals -1/3 x minus y. Well, everything in that equation is negative. It's like, say that people could be negative. If everyone in the world was negative,
what a crappy world we live in. Nobody would be positive, so you can't just change it to positive.
If everyone was negative, then it would be like no one was negative because that would just be the normal state of things. So I thought, well, since everything in here is
shirt. Yeah, that would be such a normal state.
What does that have to do with anything?
You said if everybody was negative, it would be a normal state, so I started acting negative, and then you said, what does that have to do with anything?
Oh, I didn't mean like mentally. I meant like, say that there's a big minus sign falling all the way around. Then that wouldn't be special. We wouldn't all be negative. We would just
I can see a minus sign following people down the street.
We would just say like that was a part of like normal human existence if everyone had that, right? We wouldn't be like, oh, he's negative, because like we'd all be negative. So then it was like,
what if somebody had a plus following?
Well, nobody had a plus.
Jeez, okay.
So I was like, well, they're all negative, so why not just take out all the negatives and then you'll have like a positive version of it. It's like the opposite version. Like, you know how sometimes on TV there's an opposite world of the real world, and like you go there and there's like, oh, that was on Fairly Odd Parents. There's like Anti-Cosmo and he's like all smart, and Anti-Wanda is all evil. Well, it's sort of like that. So I just took the negatives out and made it 2 equals 1/3 x plus y. And apparently I got it wrong. But if you think about it, if everything's negative,
just put the negatives back on and see if you get it right.
Yeah, but if everything's negative, nothing's negative. Just like if everyone's
and then
special,
your explanation could
nobody is special.
And your explanation could just be that you misunderstood the concept and it should be negative.
Well, I'm going to change it just for the heck of it, but that doesn't make it right.
Yes, it does.
Did what's his face reply?
Nope.
You live an exciting life. You know, I'm not even doing that problem right now. I'm copying your number 10.
Yeah, the part that I did.
So viewers at home, do you agree with me?
No, they agree with me. Negatives are supposed to be negatives, and you can't just randomly decide to change them positive because it looks like the right thing, the right normal thing to do because it's just normal because that's the natural state of things. What an explanation.
No, because all of them were negative. So I swear to God, when all the numbers in your problem are negative, you can just change them all positive.
No, you can't.
Yes, you can.
You cannot, because a negative is a negative, which is completely opposite of positive. And just because it's a natural state of things doesn't mean you get to change it to that.
Somebody's special.
No, it's wrong.
No, you're wrong.
Put the negatives back on.
I will, but it's wrong.
Okay, what are you getting?
But I do things that are wrong.
Plus a negative is a negative.
A negative plus a negative.
Negative times a negative is a positive.
Okay, Mom.
That's not our debate. Our debate is if she gets a negative answer and it's just the natural state of things to change it positive.
Why would you change it to positive?
Look. Okay,
My
all the
point
numbers in this
is-
answer were negative. Negative 2 equals negative 1/3 x minus y. And when everything's negative, you can
That
just
says
make it
times
all.
what?
No, that's an x. Negative 2
Oh.
equals negative 1/3 x minus y.
And what's your...
When everything is negative, can't you just change it to positive to simplify it? When every
You could
I could.
multiply both sides by -1.
That's what I did.
You can do that.
Oh wait, then it's not the same problem. Then it's that problem times -1.
Yeah.
No, what you do to one side, you're allowed to do to the other side, right?
Yeah, it's equal to the same thing.
And that goes positive plus y. So what's the question?
Then why was it marked wrong? That's the question.
Oh, write the equation in standard form with integer coefficients. Show me what standard form is.
AX plus BY equals C.
Okay.
She's right about that one.
Okay.
About that one.
Okay, so you've simplified it to that, and standard form is AX plus BY equals C. Where's X in this equation?
X.
Not.
You just keep it as X.
You go 1/3
A is the number.
X plus B.
Whoa!
B is
whoa,
just 1.
Look, like that's what I did. I changed it.
B is 1, so
One
it's
y,
just
so
like
it's
an
just
invisible.
plus y.
Plus y equals 2.
And is that different from this?
Yes.
Then that's why it's wrong.
Oh. We were both wrong.
Viewers at home, both of us were wrong.
Mom was right! Mom was right!
Wait, you want to do that again really quick?
No, I gotta go.
Okay.
I like being right every once
Aww.
See, you knew the answer all along, dear.
Do you want me to fix
Just
that?
didn't
Stuff?
write down what standard
I can
form
fix
is.
it.
When she asks you the question, you say, what is this question asking me? What is standard form?
It was on the test.
She said ask yourself.
Yourself. So what?
Oh, I thought you said ask
The question
teacher.
says write it in standard form, then you ask yourself, what is standard form? Oh yeah.
Why would I ask? You know what? It's okay.
Just
You helped
assume.
us. You helped us. It's okay.